Okay, so recently I realized that Meta AI do not animate videos anymore. I was trying to animate this image, but rather instead of animating it, it's created an image for me. But that is not what I wanted. So I found a new platform that not just only help you create images, but it also helps you to animate. And also, if you notice the watermark that is on this video, I'm going to show you how to literally remove it. Very simple, very easy, no app required. So Meta AI removed their video features completely. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to use this new platform. So guys, without much ado, let's head over quickly. Now pick up your phone and the PC. Let's do this. This is the name of this website. I'm going to show you step by step how to access this to generate unlimited videos and animate them free. This is the interface that you have, right? So go ahead and let's continue. Now, once you are here, you're going to see login or you download the app. So meaning that they literally have a mobile app. So go ahead and search for it in your Play Store and you're going to find this. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in. So the moment you open the platform, it's going to present you the login details. So you click on that login and this interface is going to pop up. You're going to see login or log into another account. Now, I will advise you use a different account, not the same account with Meta AI. All right, so let's go ahead and log into another account. So you can see continue with Facebook and continue with Instagram. Use mobile number or email address. So for us, let's go ahead and use email address of your choice. So this is like you creating an account with them. Okay, you're going to just put anything. So name is optional. You can see this, right? Go ahead and confirm. Awesome. So now this is me using a different email to log in, not the one associated with my Meta AI. All right, so from here you're going to go ahead and log in and it will show you this authenticating with Meta. Okay, so the next interface you're going to see, it's going to log you in with the email you sign in, and you're going to find an interface like this that says get started or create new. So we are going to go ahead and create new. Now let's explore this a little bit before we move into creating something so that you can see the quality, and then let's compare and see how it works. All right, so here you have projects where you will see all your projects. Okay, so at the moment we don't have any project, or where you have your media. So all these ingredients are for you to, if you want to test it, maybe later you can take your time and explore the platform. All right, let's head back to our project. Okay, then we also have ingredients, character, style, scene. Okay, we also have the start and end frame, and we also have advanced, that is video resolution. You want it 720p or 480p. So let's set it to 720p and see if it's literally free. Okay, so I gave a simple prompt. Okay, and the prompt is a car racing. So I was able to have 4 variations just like you're seeing here, and this is typical because Meta AI literally gives us in 4 variations. You can choose any one that feels good. This is in portrait. Okay, all these are created. I just gave a simple prompt and you can see how good the images are. Awesome. So now let us animate this and see how it's gonna be like. Okay, so at this point you can auto animate from here or manual animate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. You can click on this, right, and animate. So you see you have different options to animate this. You can download this image if you want, then click on these 3 dots. Okay, you can see animate to video. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen. You can see it's literally generating the video of this particular image that I want us to animate. Okay, so this is actually beautiful. Animation completed. So let's play this and see if it actually gave us something close to what we want. Or this is like automatic animate. Wow, this is beautiful. I love it. So let's go ahead and click on it here and download this. So let's see if it has a watermark. And I see that there is no watermark because I'm using the portrait. Let's see what happens when I generate using landscape. Let's try and use a landscape image to see if it's literally going to animate. Select that start frame and then upload the particular image you want to use, any type of image at all. Once you click this place, it's going to take you to this next platform that will bring up the image from your gallery and you upload it. Wow, and so guys, the video is ready. You can see here, right? Let's go ahead and play this. Amazing. So this is the platform. You can use this platform and animate your videos. Notice that it has a watermark Meta AI. Right now, let's remove it. Platform, once you click on this project, okay, you're going to see all the work that you've done, all the videos, right? So this is what we are going to do. This is the video I generated. Okay, I'm going to remove the watermark that is on it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this three dot. You can see this, right? Click on this three dot that is here and then copy a link. Please follow it step by step. Okay, open a new tab on your browser. Anywhere, whether you're using a mobile phone, it works. Paste the link and then hit send. Once you hit send, the video will load up here, okay, on a new interface. Now once the video is done loading up, click here and download. Now let me show you the result. Okay, so this is it. Beautiful. So if you like this, go ahead and hit download. Remember, there's no watermark on this particular platform, and I love the quality because it's literally insane. You can see, right? Awesome. So this is how you use this platform. I've shown you how to use it to generate portraits and also animate them. Okay, portrait and landscape. Okay, so let me know what you think about this platform in the comment section of this video. Get anyone. So if you want to add this to your timeline, you can literally click on this your timeline and add media. Okay, add from projects or you upload media. So you can, if you have scene by scene, you can go ahead and select the one you want to add. Let's say I want to add this one. This one is the video that we generated, so go ahead and click on it and it's automatically added to the timeline. All right, so let me know what you think about, and this is unlimited, free and unlimited. So start using this. Meta AI is no longer animating videos anymore, but here you can animate any type of video. So guys, until then, see you in the next one.